This stuff over here is spotted jewelweed. It's pretty common in the place. This is not common though. Look at this. Yellow. Yellow is a little more rare. That's what you normally find. It's also called touch me not. You could just come through here and touch. I was trying to, here's one right here. Look at this. Watch what happens to it. Ugh. See how they explode? It has a spring coiled up in there. Here's another one. That's what it looks like. And then when you touch this crazy thing, see how it did? If you come back in a week, there's gonna be lots of those little seed pods down there. They're an amazing plant, but they're real common. You probably have them in your yard. Just go out and look around, find those little seed pods.